welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we delete pattern lock in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to delete your pattern lock guys. You don't want to use any pattern in your Realme phone guys. So how can you delete your pattern lock data means pattern lock in your Realme phone. So friends, you can see I have this pattern lock and guys I want to delete this pattern. I don't want to use in my Realme phone. So first of all guys I will on my phone setting. So I on your phone setting and guys scroll it. Password and security setting guys, you can see in your Realme phone guys, tap here, click on your lock screen password and guys draw your pattern. Then you can see turn off password, tap here, then guys again draw your pattern. So your pattern will delete guys, you cannot use your pattern lock in your Realme phone guys. So like that guys, you can delete your pattern lock in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.